I greet you all, ladies and gentlemen. My names are Dr. Jennifer Gashoka, the president of Metro Safari. Welcome to our esteemed customers. Grant and listen what our agency does to serve in the community. We are a dedicated service agency that is geared to improving the livelihood of people. Our motto is endeared to serve community with a compassion. Metro Safari is duly registered entity in the state of Washington to do business legally, permitted to operate as limited liability company, founded in the year 2018. Metro Safari helps to connect overseas students to the right learning institutions, providing them with the knowledge that will help them make the right decision when they are choosing the institution of learning in the United States of America. Our human resource recruitment solution and connect qualified students in their career of choices. We also, since the foundation the year 2018, the agency has been developing roadmap to engage in recruitment of students from East African countries with emphasis centered in Kenya. Our goal is to connect people, help them in career of development, support our clients' growth. Our international recruitment mission is geared to establishing or providing innovative human resource solutions to our client and candidate to join learning institution of higher learning in the United States of America. Our focus is to recruit students in Kenya, by extension to other two neighboring countries, Tanzania and Uganda. We intend to create opportunities through our extensive network across the region. Combined with the deep knowledge of local catchment, high level of specialization, and cutting-edge recruiting technologies to manage our regional talent database. We work in partnership with Pierce College Administration to unleash the potential found in our clients to share common values, best practice, commitment to diversity and higher quality student body. Our Metro Safari always seek and act in a way to add value to our clients, candidate resulting in ultimate reward of heartfelt thank you. We are here to support hundreds of our clients, and our reputation is one of the leading recruiting education agency. My strategy is to start slowly, build credibility, build trust, and work towards a solid reputation. We always make our customer needs as our top priority and view ourselves as a partner. We believe both our customers and candidates will best be served by all work towards the same goal and ensure that work best for them. We will try hard to deliver, meet, and exceed our customers' expectations. What differentiates us is the approach, one that is centered as a result of full accountability. We are team-based, client-focused. They are the foundation on which we have built our agency and the value we incorporate in everything we do at Metro Safari. As the position ourselves to continued growth in future, I cannot help but feel incredible gratitude to our partners, Pierce College, to the government authorities in countries of recruitment, to our client, and certainly our staff. So many will serve to inspire me. For that, I am eternally grateful. We also do tour and travel. Metro Safari organizes educational tours to students internationally. The essence of the tour is to give exposure to students from United States to those from Kenya and get to understand the systems of education, learning different cultures and how feel of social interaction. Despite giving tours to students, the agents also incorporated the community in participating such tours. The most widely longer and tour travel in those safaris comprises of organized tours in most national parks and game reserves. While they enjoy watching wildlife in their national habitation, the students also get a chance of carrying out studies of environment globally. The nature looks different from one continent to the other. Hence, the need to have grips and understanding these differing environments. Yeah. This will be guided towards an itinerary made to suit the wishes of our client. There will be preferences depending on the majority of those in outrage. Metro Safari will try to give option to be picked before drawing the itinerary. The scenic places will be given considerations and also the hiking of the mountains. These tours and travel will be scheduled considering the weather of the country to be visited. It is important to know the best time to visit the USA is during summer season, or visitation to Eastern Africa is between months of August and December. Metro Safari will coordinate with the Ministry of Tourism as well as the relevant government authorities charged with immigration, and these will be temporary visits. Metro Safari coordinates program where students from US make trips to Kenya and students from Kenya make trips to the US. The student exchange program, Metro Safari embarks on process whereby the student from Kenya, especially from institutions of higher learning, the universities and colleges, organizes visit to the United States. The exchange program has the part to visit, learn about the environment studies, culture, involve themselves in practicums. The other part of the exchange program is to familiarize themselves with the education system of the country visited. Metro Safari organizes the trip coordinating with the institution where the students belong. This is purely education-oriented tour. All those allowed to take part in exchange program must be students who are still in school and continuing on their studies. They must prove that they are ongoing by showing proof of academic record. They must have permission to travel from the department of able to meet their expenses. We also recruit caregivers in Metro Safari. Metro Safari was created with the sole purpose of serving the community by majoring in staffing of caregivers, programs to assist those in current or development disabilities persons. We also do mentorship, counseling program through consultation. We are geared to serve the community with a compassion. Metro Safari, their edification, training, and experience it takes to provide excellent home care. We understand the value of comfort and good environment. That's why we ensure our care plan is customized to meet all your needs. Our caregivers focus on giving you peace of mind by professionally taking up all the activities of daily living that might have difficulty performing. We thoroughly vet our caregivers to ensure you feel safe, have confidence, and working with them. We operate with integrity, respect of others, and treat all customers with care and compassion. We hold these values dear. Immeasurable steps values our company culture. We are excited to bring you and your family experience in every aspect of senior care. You are sincerely. My name's, as I had told you, Jennifer. Thank you so much for taking your time to listen what Metro Safari does. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful.